Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Messenger app not working. Our first solution is we need to update our Messenger. To do that, go to your Play Store, search here Messenger, and if you see any update available here, then update your Messenger and check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is we need to clear our Messenger cache files. To do that, open your phone settings. Search for app management. Once you get it, tap on that. Now tap on Messenger. Click on storage usage. Click on clear cache. Click on clear data. And then open a Messenger and check the problem if fixed or not. And the third solution is we need to uninstall our Messenger and we need to reinstall it. So uninstall your Messenger and go to Play Store and install Messenger again. And then check the problem if fixed or not. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.